Oh man, this place is magical, man. Holy cow, check it out. What's up, adventurers? Yesterday I was on my way to the store when I suddenly saw a little pathway leading right into the forest, so I obviously had to check it out. But today I want to take you guys with me on a proper exploration. So join me today's adventure and let's have some fun. Oh yeah. You guys won't believe how freaking many mushrooms there are around here. Check it out, man. Right here we have some red ones, more over here, and right below we have some brown ones, and even a little baby one right here and there. And there's a strange looking one right over here. And some bigger ones right here. Check it out, man. All over the freaking place. It's pretty cool. It continues down here. What the frick is this, man? Looks nasty, man. Heck no. But yeah, so many different kinds of mushroom, but I don't know the names for any of them. I'm not a mushroom expert, but I would love to learn the names for the most common ones we have in Norway, and eventually I could have the knowledge enough to do some foraging. Check it out, man. Yeah, an ocean of mushrooms, man. So freaking cool. I kind of lost my way here. So yeah, I just want to show you all the mushrooms I can find here. But right now I have to try to find a path again. So yeah, stay tuned. I don't think there are many people walking around here. Yesterday I put some sticks on the entrance in the middle of the path just to see if they were disturbed when I came back, but yeah, nothing, man. So yeah, I think I'm all alone in this entire forest. It's actually pretty big. Well, I don't think we are all alone. I think we have some bugs feasting on the mushrooms here. We have a mushroom here, looks kind of fricked. And also there are apparently a bunch of freaking ticks in this area. Yesterday when I got home, I found my pants were loaded with ticks, and I found a few ones on my leg, on my arm. So today, before I left home, I drenched all my clothes with some insect spray with 50% DEET, so hopefully that will do the deed. And I also found, while I was walking around here, a big adult tick crawling around on my pants, but luckily I had sprayed my pants with bug spray, so I saw it just tumbled off. So it's nice to know that the bug spray is working. But I am going to do a check when I get home today anyway. Take a hot shower. But yeah, you have to be careful, guys, because some ticks can have nasty diseases that it can transform to you. So yeah, stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Actually, maybe we should follow this river to see where it leads. All rivers leads to something, you know. So yeah, let's find that something. Even though the sun is at its brightest today, well, maybe not the brightest, but it's pretty bright outside, but not in here. You can probably see some light rays shining through here. But yeah, most of this place lies in a big blanket of shadows. I don't know what people are talking about when they say the phrase "where the sun don't shine," but right now I'm starting to believe that they're talking about this place here, man. But anyway, we've followed the river for quite some time now. Hopefully we can find something cool eventually. But check it out, man. Some kind of structure here. Looks like some kids have tried to make a roof right next to this beautiful river. Heck yeah, man. And I am pretty sure there will be a hammock camp at exactly this location, because holy cow, man, it's so freaking beautiful here. Listening to the river flowing through. And a bunch of mushrooms here as well. I wish I could bring all of them with me, but I don't have much room in my pocket for all of these, so it'll wait for another time. I have no clue why sometimes you can find these white bubbly areas in a stream, in the river. I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not something disgusting. A bunch of more mushrooms all over the place. Check it out, man. Looks like they're trying to reach down to take a sip from the water. Thirsty mushrooms, bro. Oh man, this place is magical, man. Holy cow, check it out. I guess this is the big payoff for following the river down. Wow, this place is beautiful, man. Oh yeah, sick. Going to sit there, relax for a little bit, because I am tired. Stupid freaking branches, bro, almost poking me in the eye. Yeet. I can't think of a better place to sit down and have a snack. I'm so drained of energy now after all this walking, but good thing I brought with me an energy drink. I'm prepared, man. Heck yeah. And also I brought with me a chocolate bar. It's called Quick Lunch. It's a traditional snack to bring with you in Norway when you're out hiking and stuff. In Norwegian it's called Quick Lunch, and translated to English it means quick lunch. Well, I guess it's pronounced the same way in Norwegian and English. Anyway, but first I need some energy, man. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, I can already feel the energy flowing inside me. But yeah, if you guys have a special snack in your country that you traditionally bring with you, leave a comment in the comment section below, because I'm pretty curious. Different countries, different traditions. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. But yeah, today's adventure, pretty sick, man. We saw a bunch of mushrooms, like a million mushrooms all over the place. We followed the river down to this beautiful place, and we even found a really nice place to set up our hammock on another adventure. And hopefully I won't find any ticks on me. There is actually a tick on me. It's crawling around. If I found one this easily, there are probably a bunch more around. Let me take a photo so you can see. Heck no. So I'm going to flick it off. It fell down into the water. GG, bro. Don't come back. I don't see any more ticks. There are probably a couple more crawling around. Ooh. I think I will have to treat my clothes with permethrin. I have heard good things about that. When the bugs touch your clothes, they just die. I kind of feel bad for some insects, because some insects are cool, like ladybugs and stuff, you know. But I guess it's a give and take situation. I take a couple of lives and they give me some freaking space. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to sit there, have a good snack and relax for a couple of minutes before I head home. But yeah, pretty cool adventure, man. We managed to explore deep inside the place where the sun don't shine. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just kidding, guys. Nice. Last bite, guys. Skills, man. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today on this lovely adventure. And thank you so much for clicking the like and subscribe buttons. And I'll catch you guys next time. Oh yeah.